And I finally got these dump bed kits for this King Kong RC truck put together. Come up with something here that looks kind of old school, I think, and seems to work okay. Well, it works well. Simple. Not really too sure what else to say about it. It's a dump box. Anyways, it took me a while to get these together, figure out actuators that work, and yeah, stuff like that. But anyway, I have a setup here that works pretty decent here now. Lifts a reasonable amount of weight, and yeah, seems to be, I think it looks okay. Ended up putting cab guards on these. Seemed like more people wanted them, so I went for that over what I had originally planned with just a box with no guard. But yeah, other than that, like I say, not much to say. I ended up also milled up these little trailer hitches here, little drawbars or whatever. I don't know if they don't have a ball or anything in them. Obviously, I don't even know if anyone makes an RC ball hitch, but be good for putting a shackle through or something, or if you have a trailer with a pin that drops in, should work good. Powder coating turned out really nice again. Thanks very much, Ron. You're doing an excellent job, buddy. I really appreciate it. Anyhow, we'll demonstrate how it all works here. I have one of these kits available. I plan on selling them 2 different ways. Looking for $5.50 US plus shipping without the actuators. If you have your own of the correct size or whatever already, then you may not want to buy 2 more. So I'm fine with that, and I actually would prefer to sell them that way anyways. Get your own actuators. But if not, I can purchase them and sell them with the beds, and at that rate then I would like $7.25 US plus shipping for the dump bed kits. Anyway, they are not a direct bolt-on. They are at the back. Everything's fine. It uses a couple of holes that are in the factory frame. Down the bottom here, this lower mount, there is 2 holes that you will have to drill that are 1/8. I used the actual kit as a guide. I installed the actuators and everything and the brackets, and then dropped it onto rolled the truck upside down and drilled the chassis using the brackets themselves. I would put it together that way and probably scribe the frame where the holes need to be drilled and then drill them out, but either way works. If you're not keen on drilling a couple holes, please do not buy one of these, because I don't want to hear about people wrecking their frames. It's not that difficult, but I've seen some people do some crazy shit, so I don't want to get involved in that. Other than that, like I say, it's pretty simple. Everything bolts on, clears all the stock stuff. You will have to remove your tire on the other side. I have the bracket still on, but obviously the tire's not going to fit anymore. So tailgate latches are mechanical, they're automatic. Box goes up, they let go, box come down, they grab, just like on all my other stuff. A little different setup, but basically the same. Dump box is the same on both sides. I didn't put mud flaps on the box or anything, because I figured there's holes in the frame back here and stuff like that to make brackets. The bed could be drilled to hang mud flaps. It's just I don't know what people really want. These old trucks, a lot of them didn't have mud flaps on them, so I don't want to make it too complicated. Yeah, anyway, you get an idea what it looks like from the front. Kind of sent some pictures of an international truck with a bed very similar to this, so I basically just tried to not really copy it, but keep close to the design and something that was sort of not too difficult for me to make on a production basis, doing everything by hand. So anyhow, if anybody's interested in one of these, I would love to sell the other bed that I built. Right now, selling one of these things, I'm just barely breaking even on building 3 of them. So I'd love to get rid of the other one. If anyone's interested, let me know. And if not, it'll be here. Hopefully someone's interested eventually. I know these trucks are fairly new, so there's not a whole lot of them out there yet. But there will be one day, I think so. Well, I should also note that this one's running the R-type actuators off the radio, so there's no speed control needed. I'm personally not a fan of these. They work great. I like the S-type actuators that are controlled with an ESC, because then you can stop at any position up and down, not just full up, center, or full down. So I'll be switching to those in my personal truck here once I get this kit off. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.